Hi, here I am again. I'm making my brunch with my own recipe. I'm making pancake. Yeah, I mix 1 deciliter. I use in deciliter 1 deciliter flour, 2 deciliter milk, and I put 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon oil, okay, and then 1 teaspoon of like this, 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Yes, 1 teaspoon of gelatin. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Yes, and it look like this. It look like this at the end. How can I? Look like this. You see? Where is that? Look like this. Oh, makita.